You can cancel your site's billing plan through your site's billing panel. The site can be canceled immediately for a refund if you're in the refund window and on a qualifying plan. Or you can stop service at the end of your current billing cycle. To cancel your site's subscription, open the billing panel. Click Subscriptions, then click Website. Click Cancel Subscription. Retain Access will cancel your site when your current billing cycle ends. If you're on a qualifying plan, choose Get Refund Immediately to end your service and get a refund. To learn more about our refund policies, visit the guide link below. Click Continue, then review your cancellation details. In the next step, choose your reason for canceling in the dropdown. If you'd like, you can provide feedback for us in the form, or provide a few more details. In the final step, confirm your cancellation. If you have other subscriptions, like domains or scheduling, you can manage and cancel them separately. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.